If you're an agent who sells Medicare Advantage plans, you know that there are some gaps in those plans, and a great way to fill those gaps is through a hospital indemnity plan. Now, in a previous video, I showed you how to use the Universal Compare Quotes feature to sort of bundle products together from different product lines. But you're probably not aware of this. There is a built-in tool specifically for adding hospital indemnity to your Medicare Advantage quotes. So let's try it. Let's see how that works. We're going to run a MA quote. Now here are the results. They're sorted by premium amount, then by max out of pocket. So let's say this first one is the one we want to go with. Down here at the bottom left of each listing, there is a plan details button. Let's click it, and this shows us all the details about that plan. And it's going to show you co-pays and what the plan pays for certain items. Okay? Now here's the magic button. All we do is click Fill the Gaps. Put in the same zip code you just used. Put in your client's info and run a quote. Now, maybe you didn't see what just happened there, but it added a drop-down menu to the quote screen. So this shows all the plans available. So let's say, for example, we want to look at the Sentinel Security Life Standard 5-Day Plan. So we click Add to Comparison, and it lists your MA plan on the left, your HIP on the right. So we can scroll down, see side by side what's paid, and you can just sort of add various benefits like lump sum cancer. And all the hospital indemnity plans are a little bit different, so you can go through here and build a plan to suit your client's needs. Hospital confinement, $250 a day. There's all sorts of options, skilled nursing, so on. Now, let's say this plan isn't a good fit for our client. So we hit Fill the Gaps again, and now we just go back and pick a different plan. So let's look at Continental Life. Add to Comparison. That's going to replace what we had here before, and now we see the new plan. So again, we walk down through here. You can add ambulance benefits, and if you want, let's say we want to add $10,000 lifetime cancer benefit. That's an extra $35 a month. So you can build these plans, customize them to each client's needs. It's a great way to fill those gaps. This is so easy to do. Give it a try, and of course, if you need help, let us know. Thanks for watching.